Alrighty, you guys, what is going on? Welcome to today's video. Another great crazy car video. It's like 30 degrees outside, so we might not rip these things. I don't know. I kind of want to drive them though and just get down and dirty with it. But it's pretty wet out, so we'll have to wipe them off if we end up doing that. But we did have a package show up, and it is the new Crazy Kart stock motor. So we're gonna go ahead and get this sucker open for you guys. It's nothing special. Stock 500 watt XL motor. So yeah, nothing crazy. I know I'm lame. Well, we will be getting the 1000 watt. It's just I don't want to spend $500 on that right now. I got to buy tires for the van and yada yada yada. But we're in the middle of filming Whitney's new Nameless Performance exhaust system. My smart self did not put the new gaskets on, so now we gotta wait for it to cool down and then throw those on, and then we're gonna go do some videos of it driving around. So, but that's a different video. Let's go ahead and start with this video. So we got the box right here. The box right here. So it's just already opened it. No unboxing today for you peeps. I should say you're like full unboxing. 500 watt. If you do buy one of these motors though, you can't forget that you still need the connector. So don't throw that away. But yeah, here she is. Nothing too crazy. I hope that's the right bracket. It looks kind of big. I guess we'll figure that out. But let's go ahead and pull the cart over here and start figuring out how we're gonna get this sucker on. Pull this sucker up. We put the tire on backwards, so got these tires are directional. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this around. So we might as well just pull the wheel off. It'll make it easier to access the motor. So. Go ahead and just do that real quick and split. Alrighty guys, we went to the hardware store, picked up some thinner Allen heads. It's not going to focus on it, but you can see lower profile. So we're going to go ahead and throw these on the engine and then up a couple of laps in the garage. That was extremely loud. But yeah, just make sure this thing fits. Fits like a glove. Let's go. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw these bolts on and then we'll get back to you. Alright, we got the fresh bolts in. Looking clean. This thing is basically all running Allens now, even the back. This thing's, I could literally keep an Allen kit under the seat and we could probably completely tear this thing apart. Besides the front wheel, because those are 260 millimeters. But besides that, pretty much all Allens. We're gonna go ahead and hit this thing with a quick little hot lap around the garage, and then we're gonna pull mine out and let Whitney drive this one. So let's see how she handles. Alright, we're bringing the Crazy Kart somewhere. It's a day that's not raining, so I figured, you know what? Today's a good day to go bash these two Crazy Karts together. So, we're gonna go rip these things, and they're probably gonna break, but if it happens, it happens. That's the whole point of ripping. So we're gonna go find a cool location. We're doing like a 2-video deal right now, so we're gonna be filming 2 videos in like the same time. So if we get some footage crossed up, that is my bad. But we're gonna go ahead and get to the road. As you guys see, the van has the new wheels. That's actually the video I'm making right now. So this video will probably come out first. Maybe the same time, I don't know. But we gotta get on the road, so let's go. Danny, how you feel? It's cold. Got this car. This car is kind of scary to drive. My tire pump won't fill this thing up because it's made for like truck tires. So you need like the little handheld trigger tires. These rear casters are way scarier.
Your fucking casters are smoking.
Than these ones. Yeah, they're smoking because I was rodding on her so hard. But no, they do not handle near as good as Taxi Garage's wide boys. So we'll definitely need to order some of those. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. We got this pimp.
Wiped out.
This Pimp Daddy Chevy.
Probably like 2 pounds of leaves. Like,
Oh, I know. I know. I got stuck.
Pull it out.
I got stuck, so I just I held the drift bar and just held it wide open. Yeah, I held it wide open, just did a donut out of it. No, this is a good time though. Good time for sure. Alright, this is gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a blast running these things in that freezing weather. As you can see, they're just completely covered in leaves and all that goodness. I need to wash these things. But big difference between these two carts is, first of all, the fully Taxi Garage built one is just handles 10 times better. The motor bracket and all that just keeps it nice. I think I need to put the Taxi Garage motor bracket on this one because this is obviously 1,000 watts, 500 watts. So I have the Taxi Garage motor mount for this, so we're gonna have to throw that on. Rear casters on this thing suck. They are so blown out. So we're gonna need some wide boys for sure. And then this car should be handling at least good enough to where it can be driftable. But right now it's just kind of a jalopy and it bounces like crazy, so you can't. Sorry you guys, camera died, but this is what we need to use on the cart that we just got. We need to put this bracket on. I believe this will help with the torque feels like it's like torque steer almost because of how it hops like that. Kind of like how if you have a really fast car and you don't have like the right suspension or like the right differential strengthening pieces, you'll get wheel hop. That's kind of how this thing handles. So hopefully this will fix that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna talk to Taxi Garage because this thing kind of looks like a pain in the butt to install, kind of, but we'll see. And then yeah, when you get the regular casters or the wide boy casters from Taxi Garage, because those casters are horrid and they're blown out. Like the bearings are probably gone in these things. So yeah, they're bad. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are going to be coming out with some more crazy car content. You know, work is so slow with this weather, unfortunately. So that gives us time to film and figure out what kind of branding we need to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. And just have a good day. Peace.